So I'd like to talk to you guys a lot more in the future about market cycles, and it relates to cryptocurrency because you're seeing a lot of volatility. Blue Knight, welcome back. You're always the first one on here. You're quick with the phone, quick with the button. A lot of the expectation, I think, on these cryptocurrencies is people are like, when is it going back up? When is it going back down? And they're looking at stuff almost like a day trader in the stock market. And, I come from a world where we look at like 7-year ups and downs in real estate markets. And I think you got to be open to like a long-term game. You got to be open to a different, broader perspective of like what's actually going on. Even if something like Bitcoin. Hey, Rick, Myrie, how's it going? Yeah, so Rick and I, have been around, we were around real estate since 2002, and we've seen some different market cycles. And him and I were both there in 2007, 2008, when things crashed. And we probably both saw it coming, and we saw some of the discounts that the builders were giving out there, and some of the other homeowners because of the market cycle. So we saw discounts just like you see it in cryptocurrency. It's just it just happens over a longer period of time. And yeah, you want to buy a discount. People need to have cash available to be able to do that kind of stuff, and they're looking for cash flow. They're looking for the numbers to make sense. They never should have been doing it based on appreciation or speculation, or not all flipping is speculation. The other thing too is like on a lot of these cryptos, I mean, you got to be able to play the long-term game as well. But yeah, if you can buy the dip or you can get a discount. But how do you know what a discount is? In real estate, I think it's easier to be able to tell what that is. But I do have a Facebook group. It does talk about reinvesting. It talks about supply and demand. It talks about cycles, marketing real estate. So if you want to follow me, scroll up to see how to follow me on my Facebook group. Rick is in my Facebook group as well, and we can connect you with him as well. We're just going to talk about different cycles. It doesn't matter if it's a stock market, real estate, crypto, whatever. Just giving kind of more of an understanding of, you never want to fully try to time it, but you want to understand a better strategy for a long-term approach on that kind of stuff. So cycles are going to look different in the stock market. They're going to look different from the crypto market. They're going to look different from the real estate market. And in a real estate investor they try not to be concerned as much with the cycles and the appreciation, because you can get hurt with that. You want to look more at the cash flow, and does the asset provide cash flow? Does it have an intrinsic value? And a lot of people have a hard time figuring that out with cryptocurrencies. Your face is cool. Welcome. Glad to see you on here. So again, if you want to be on my Facebook group, we will talk about these different cycles you're seeing. We have some articles on the retail apocalypse and how we had about 6,000 store closings last year, and now they're saying like 12,000 or more this year. So we have a lot of corporate debt is going to be due soon, and you're going to see a big shift in that market cycle, and then you're also going to see that as well in the bond market as well. I think you're going to see a big shift. And I don't know if there's going to be a correction in the stock market or not. We'll have to see. But I'll keep you guys updated. If you want to follow me on any other social networks, just scroll up and look at all the other social networks I'm on. And I have not followed the ratings tomorrow from Weiss. What are the ratings on? Are we talking like ratings on bonds? Are we talking about ratings on U.S. as a country? Are we talking like Moody ratings, or what kind of ratings are we talking about? And I'll just kind of ask you that question. And D25, welcome. All crypto coin reviews or ratings. I have not heard about that. What's going on with that? Rob Fox, welcome. Rob Fox 2000, welcome. So yeah, I'll do some more on real estate investing. We got some real estate investing friends of mine that are on these scopes as well. Bitcoin.com. Okay, I haven't been to Bitcoin.com in a few days, probably in about 5 or 6 days. The crypto, you might have to just see which one is particularly at the biggest dip right now. You can kind of compare them all at CoinMarketCap.com as well. Welcome from Turkey. Good to see you. So yeah, I'm going to probably do some more scopes later on. If I do some, they'd probably be based on some zero hedge articles, based on some market cycles, based on maybe some stuff Peter Schiff's saying, maybe some stuff related to the real estate market. There was an interesting one talking about BPOs and appraisals that are being done on thousands of homes and stuff from satellite images from Google, which was pretty interesting. Rock Chalk, welcome. Okay, well, I'll see you guys a little bit later.